Okay. Good morning to all of you. I welcomes to all in our lecture series on mathematical physics belongs to your core paper 8 fourth semester BSc syllabus. In our last class we have been discussed this question that evaluate z bar dz or the line integral of complex conjugate of z along this path C1, C2 and C3 in detail we have been discussed, and we have been discussed another question, that is your integration of z mod square dz along a contour around the square with vertices 0 0 1 0 1 1 and 0 1. In detail we have been discussed in our last class. Today we are going to discuss this question. This question I given last class for you that you have to do. Here I am going to discuss. Watch carefully and write down in your note. The question is that we have to evaluate the integration from 0 to 2 plus I. Here 2 plus I means it is given z equal to 0, z equal to 0 to z equal to 2 plus I, z bar square means complex conjugate square dz along the path as z equal to 0 to z equal to 2. Z equal to 0 means z equal to 0 means the point is 0 0 and z equal to 2. Z equal to 0 to z equal to 2. Z equal to 2. 2 means 2 plus I0. So the point will be 2 0, and then z equal to 2 to z equal to 2 plus I. Z equal to, here z equal, this point is represents z equal to 2. Z equal to 2 to z equal to 2 plus I. 2 plus I means 2 plus I means the point will be 2 1. Okay, here is the real part is 2, imaginary part is 1, so the point will be 2 1. So the path will be like this. So here you have to start from here and you have to end at here. So what is the path? This is the path. So this path can be segregated by two contours or two line integrals from here to here and from here to here. Okay, so this whole contour from here to here, the whole contour can be segregated by the two contours or two curves, that is C1 and C2. So we have to do as we have been done in our previous questions. Similar way we are going to do it. So z bar we know that x minus iy, okay, and z we know x plus iy. Dz will be dx plus I dy. So 0 to 2 plus I, z bar square dz will be, here z 0 means z equal to 0 to 2 plus. So z equal to 0 to 2 plus I, z bar square, that means x minus I y square into dz will be dx plus I dy. So here this is in the form a minus b square. So it will be x square, x square, this square, a square plus b square. B square means I square, y square. I square is minus 1, so minus y square. Then minus 2ab, minus 2, minus 2, a is x, b is iy. So I 2xy into dx plus I dy. Okay. Then I just multiplied this two, so I can get this one, x square dx, x square I dy, okay, minus y square dx, minus y square I dy, here minus I 2xy dx, here minus I 2xy into I dy. So here minus I will be I square, so it will be plus 2xy dx. Okay, so this is the full contour, that means z equal to 0 to z equal to 2 plus I, that means this whole contour is C. That means from here to here, here to here, here to here, the contour is C. And this C can be segregated by the two contours, that is your C1 and C2. So C1, this is the full contour is divided or segregated by C1. C1 of this one plus, you have to write this terms, okay, here, plus C2 this one. Okay, I not written, you have to write. Okay, along C1, now we have to consider the C1 path. Along C1, what is changes, what is the constant that we are going to find out first. So along C1 you can see, along C1 y is equal to 0, y equal to 0, obviously dy equal to 0. But along C1 x changes from where to where, from 0 to 2. So x changes from 0 to 2. Along C2 x is constant, means value is 2, so dx will be 0, and y changes from 0 to 1. Same thing I have been written, x equal to 2, along C2 dx will be 0, y changes from 0 to 1. Okay, now we have to consider first this one, this contour, and we have to put the corresponding values over here. So along C1 y dy will be equal to 0, so y dy terms, this term will be 0, this term will be 0, this term dy is here, y dy, so these all the term is going to be cancelled out. Along C1 only one term will be remaining, that will be x square dx. X changes from 0 to 2. Okay, next we have to consider C2. We have to consider carefully. You can see that along C2 dx equal to 0, correct, dx, so dx terms here, this term is going to be cancelled, and other three terms, this, here we have to put x equal to 2. So you can first we have to consider this one, I x will be 2 means 4, I4 dy, okay, I4 dy. Next this term is 0 because dx is here, so here there is no x, so as usual it will be written here minus I y square dy. Okay, minus I y square dy. Then here dx term is here, dx, so it will be 0, and here 2x y dy, so instead of x we have to put 2, so it will be plus 4y dy, Now we have to integrate term by term, so this will be x cube by 3 0 to 2. This term will be integrated, means I4 is constant, so dy integration will be y 0 to 1. This will be I y square integration y cube by 3 0 to 1. This will be y square by 2 0 to 1. Okay, now we have to put the limits. Here you put the limits, this will be 8 by 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 by 3, okay. Next here this will be only 1, that means 4i, I4, okay. Here it will be I by 3, because here 0 to 1, this is y cube, means it will be how much, I by 3, so minus I by 3. So here this will be, if you have to put limit, this will be 4 by 2. Now we have to just simplify, this will be 8 by 3 plus 4 by 2. Here I can be taken common, so 4 minus 1 by 3, it will be 16 plus 12 by 6, it will be I into 12 minus 1 by 3. So at last we can get 1 by 3. Here this can be, you can leave your answer here, no problem. So 14 by 3 plus I 11 by 3, can take 1 by 3 common, 14 plus I 11. So this is your answer for this question. Somewhat camera distance, you can see that this is our after integration we can found this one. Then 8 by 3, 4 by 2, I can be taken common from this two term, 4 minus 1 by 3. So here it will be 16 plus 12 by 6 plus I 12 minus 1 by 3. So it will be 28 by 6 or 14 by 3. This will be 11 by 3, I 11 by 3, I 11 by 3, or 1 by 3 can be taken common, 14 plus I 11. Next we have to go for another type of question, that means z will be the function of t. At that time how we are going to be handle, you just watch. Here the question is that, question number 5, along a contour z into z mod square dz, the contour is the contour is z equal to t plus I tq. That means here z is the function of t and it is varies as t plus I tq, and limit of t is the -1 to +1. So t varies in between -1 to 1. When t varies, t varies -1 to 1, but z varies with the help of this equation t plus I tq. Okay, so this z has to be transformed with the function of t, then we have to do the integration. Okay, here if we are going to consider this z mod, this will be x square plus y square, and z is nothing but x plus iy. So here z into z mod square, whatever we found, these are the function of x and y. Okay, but however z is a function, here we have to integrate as t changes. That means this z which is in the xy format, that has to be transformed to function of t. Okay, that we have been already discussed. Here you can see fj dz can be transformed to this way. That means f z function of t, and this dz can be written as dzt by dt into dt. This way we have to write. First we have to transform this z in the function of t. That means this function, whatever we have the function z into z mod square, that has to be transformed to the function of t. See, z equal to function of t, that is z t plus I tq, and z dash, this is nothing but dz by dt, will be nothing but 1 plus 3 it square. Okay, so here you can see, here this is the complex number where x is belongs to, see, this is in the form of, suppose if I am going to equate with x plus iy, then here t equal to x or x equal to t and y equal to tq, y equal to tq. Okay, so the function fz with z, which is the function of t, in which what it can be write, it can be write as, it can be written as, c, this is the function x plus iy x square plus y square, which is given in the question. So here ax equal to how much, t, y, instead of y how much we have to write, tq. So t plus I tq, j x equal to t, y equal to tq, so t plus I tq. Then here x square, instead of x square we have to write t square. Instead of y, whenever we have to put tq, it will be t to the 6. So now initially whatever the function is only function of x and y, that has been transformed to what, the function of t. Okay, so this is our function of t, that this function we have to use now, that is your t plus itq into t square plus t to the 6. Just multiply, you can get this one. So now this can be, here I'm going to show you that fzt dz can be written as fzt into dz can be written as dz by dt into dt. Okay, dt got cancelled, so dz. So f z, which is the function of t, into dz can be written as this one. So here I written directly. So integration over a contour f z function of t into dz by dt into dt. So this value is nothing but this one, just put over here. Okay, then dz by dt we found how much, 1 plus 3 it square, you just put over here, then dt. Now you just multiply these two, you are going to get this one. Okay, watch carefully, pause the video and write down. Just multiplication, t1 tq1 tq into 3i t square, it will be 3i t to the 5, then t to the 7 into 1 t to the 7. So like that I multiplied, and I got these terms into dt. So here we have to integrate these terms with respect to t, and t varies from -1 to 1. So integration should be -1 to 1, and this one, these terms. So each and every term now we are going to integrate. So tq is going to be integrated t4 by 4 -1 to 1, and all the terms you have to just integrate. You can see here that this will be t to the power 4 by 4. This will be 3i t to the 6 by 6, t to the 8 by 8. This one 9. So this will t to the 10 by 10. But limit is -1 to 1. So here you can see this one t to the 5 is there. So t to the 5 means t to the 6 by 6. Here t to the 8 by 8. This will be 9, t to the 9 by 9. T to the 11 means t to the 12 by 12, -1 to 1. So if we are going to put the upper limit, it will be how much? It will be 1 by 4 minus -1 to the power 4 by 4. You got my point? See, this is t to the power 4. So t to the power 4 by 4 -1 to 1. I am going to be put the upper and lower limit. So 1 by 4 got out, can be taken outside. So t to the power 4 higher limit will be 1 to the power 4, 1 minus this one -1 to the power 4. So 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 minus 1 to the power 4 will be 1, will be equal to 0. Okay, so as it is even power, so it will be 0. If it is odd, then it will be minus minus plus, it can be 2, but as it is even, we can get 0. So you can check that all the terms are even powers: t4, t6, t8, t10, t6, t8, t10, t12. That means all the terms is going to give you 0. So answer will be 0. So next similar type of question I given to you that you have to do by yourself, and in the next class we are going to be discuss evaluate contour integration z by 1 plus z to the power 4 dz. This is z to the power 4. Okay, here z equal to it. Here z is the function of t, where z equal to it only, and t varies from 0 to 1. That means limit varies from 0 to 1. You do it by yourself. In the next class we are going to be discuss. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.